Hey, good morning. I have a little math activity for you today. I want to tell you guys how much I've appreciated all the feedback that I got on the math questions last week. I love seeing how you were solving those math problems, how you were using the sides strategy. And I saw lots of different strategies being used as well, other strategies that we've talked about this year, which was really cool. You guys are great mathematicians. I have a money challenge for you today, another money challenge. So I'm thinking of the number 53, 53 cents. Think about that. And I've already done part of this. I wrote the number 53 on the center of my page. Okay, you can see it right there, 53 cents. And I wanted to figure out what are some different ways that I can add up to 53 cents. So underneath it, I drew out some images to represent like a quarter, a dime, a nickel, and a penny. All right. And you'll see that what I came up with was that I could have one quarter, two dimes, a nickel, and three pennies, and that would add up to 53 cents. However, there are other ways to do that. That's not the only way to add up to 53 cents. If you guys remember, your quarter is worth 25 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents, the nickel is worth 5 cents, and the penny is worth 1 cent. So you are trying to figure out what are some different ways that you could use those coins to add up to 53 cents. Okay, so I'm going to challenge you with that. And you can draw it out. If you notice, I just put on my quarter, I put a Q for quarter. On the dimes, I put a D for the dime. On the nickel, the N for nickel, and the P, a P for penny. I did draw them kind of about the same size that they would be. All right. I also want to give you one other number, 70 cents. All right. So if you would try that, you can use your notebook to write your answers in. But if you would try that with 53 cents and with 70 cents and see how many different ways you can come up with that, okay? Using those coins, all right? So remember, a penny is worth just 1 cent, all right? Your nickel is worth 5 cents. So 5 pennies equals 1 nickel. A dime is worth 10 cents. So it would take 10 pennies to equal a dime. And then our quarter is the largest. That's worth 25 cents. All right. All right. So you are trying to figure out the coins to get to 53 and coins to get to 70 cents. I look forward to seeing some of your answers later on. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.